All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So anyone that's ever been around me for any amount of time usually sees me barefoot. And the rare times that I'm not barefoot, I'm wearing those weird five-toed, vibrant five-finger type shoes. So this weekend on Saturday at 10:15, I got a really cool workshop. And we're gonna be talking about the benefits of grounding and being in touch with the earth, and also what counts as grounding and how often to do it. We'll also be talking about the benefits of going barefoot or minimalist. And we'll talk about, a strategy for slowly progressing yourself into being barefoot or close to barefoot. We'll talk about shoe recommendations, and then what's going to be really cool is we're going to have some practical exercises that we do outside on some pavement and in some grass, so you can get the feel for some proper techniques to transition into being a barefoot person or a minimalist shoe type person. All right, hope to see you guys there. RSVP in the link in my profile.